everybody, how's it going? Today I bring you a very rare 2009 Hummer H2 known as the Black Chrome Limited Edition. They all came signature with the Sedona metallic paint and matching Sedona interior. Also, all of the chrome on the vehicle has been replaced with black chrome. For those of you who don't know what black chrome is, it's almost a tinted form of chrome, actual chrome. Since 2005, General Motors each year would produce two signature color H2s. They would produce in limited numbers anywhere between 500 and 1,000 units a pop. For the 2009 model year, it was supposed to be this Sedona Metallic Black Chrome Edition, as well as this Silver Ice. Now the thing is, the Silver Ice ended up going into production, while technically the Sedona Metallic didn't. They became high collectible items, have not either been released to the public or are owned by private collectors. Many Hummer dealers aren't even aware that these vehicles exist. This particular one actually used to belong to General Motors itself. I'm at Independence Hummer in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is going to be a full, in-depth tour and review of the Sedona Metallic Black Chrome Hummer, as well as a startup, exhaust clip, and an engine video with the details, specifications of performance. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start up and let it run. Remote start, and I'll go ahead and demonstrate that. Lock it, hold the button. It's as simple as that. And like I said, the Sedona exterior color comes into the interior to match, with black accents around the seat. You also have a special dark hand-brushed aluminum trim all around the vehicle's dash. It's only got 5,919 miles on it. Steering wheel feels really nice, easy to steer. It's got an all-new 6-speed transmission versus the previous generation 4-speed. And we'll go ahead and turn on the headlights, as well as the hazards. It's got a button right here that automatically lowers all 4 windows at once. Very quickly, as a matter of fact. And then pull it up. We'll go ahead and lower the driver's side. It's automatic. And we'll go ahead and check out the exterior. The black chrome mag is such a unique touch to it. E85 ethanol compatible. And we'll go ahead and pop the hood. It has the all-new 6.2 liter V8. Puts out about 393 horsepower. Like I said, it has the new 6-speed transmission as well. It's also got a 393 rear end, where previously it was a 410, which added to the increased fuel economy for this model year. And this particular one has an 8,000 pound towing limit, increased from 6,500 for the previous model years. And we'll go ahead and lower this. It's a very nice increase in horsepower compared to the previous generation's 6.0 liter V8. They put out about 325 horsepower. The quality of the newer Hummers is just absolutely phenomenal compared to the older ones. Everything has a real nice soft touch to it. The door padding is also made of higher quality stitched material. Power everything, of course. You have power folding mirrors. Two-person memory, heated seats. And we do have a Bose sound system. Full power driver's seat, power lumbar. Alright, let's go ahead and hop on in. We also have a completely revised dash. New instrument cluster. The addition of a chrome analog clock in the center, as well as a new center console. You still have the signature shifter as well as on the other Hummers. And we'll go ahead and shut it up. And we're going to see how it sounds. And shut it up. You have dual zone automatic climate control. Different zones. Of course, air conditioning, rear defrost, front defrost, rear controls, and your passenger settings. You have traction control, your towing settings, four-wheel drive, driver information system, and it also has navigation. XM satellite radio. All touchscreen. Auxiliary input. OnStar. sunroof. Garage home link. Radio controls on your steering wheel. Hands-free phone. You got a heated steering wheel. Also, something a signature to this specific limited edition is the addition of a power telescoping steering wheel. This feature isn't offered on any other model Hummer. Very nice. Then shut it off. Captain seating. Trimmed in the same leather, of course. These seats also fold. Pull this lever and pull this seat down, it'll fold flat. And we'll go ahead and hop on in. Good leg room. Rear heated seats, climate control, auxiliary input and cup holders. Rear entertainment system. To release the rear tire with the new generation Hummers, all you gotta do is pull out this little pin, pick this up. It unlocks it out. Just swing it over. Both of the back seats are removable. And fold flat. You have the addition of a center console in the rear seating. All you gotta do is shut it in there. Locks it in place, and just put the pin. Went ahead and pulled this seat down just a little bit. As this seat starts to go down, the headrest automatically flips back. A little look at the back seat. Nice and spacious. Simple as that. Full power passenger seat as well. Heated seats. Seats are very comfortable. Improved body support from the previous years. It's a very big vehicle, that's for sure. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the tour on the very rare Hummer H2 Sedona Metallic. Be sure to catch me next time. Always on the prowl for newer and rarer things. Have a good one, everybody.